Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a GWM. It's very helpful, you know what I mean? I like it when the manufacturers do this because me being a village idiot, right? That way I don't get nothing confused, right? So I know it's a GWM and I'm gonna assume it's a Cannon because the only ute that they make is a Cannon. Anyway, jokes aside, what have we got today? We're gonna get an electric roller shutter fitted on this bad boy today. We're gonna refit the OEM sports bar and we're gonna get into the lovely nitty gritty details of it as I know that you guys like us to do. Now that's a sentence and a half. Other than that, let's get into it.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella. Ay, getting fed up, nothing you could tell us. Snapping every shot I take, just wait till it develops.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down.
That's a crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking
Stick
about.
around when we hold it down, look at what we found. the clouds, never coming down. Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found.
Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wearing proud. What they was talking about.
Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fitting process for that GWM Cannon electric roller. We got all into the nitty-gritty details of it, as we always like to do. So if you want to grab one for yours, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in there. And if you're wondering why I ain't showing the car, it's because we forgot to film the outro when the car was here. So anyway, I'm doing this now. We'll see you guys on the next one.